Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Running Python Code in Visual Studio Code, a step-by-step tutorial. Visual Studio Code, vscode, is a powerful and lightweight code editor developed by Microsoft that supports various programming languages, including Python. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up and running your Python code in Visual Studio Code. Install Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website, Visual Studio Code. Install Python extension. Open Visual Studio Code, go to the Extensions view, ctrl+shift+x, and search for Python. Install the official Python extension by Microsoft. Install Python. Ensure that Python is installed on your machine. You can download Python from the official website, Python Downloads. Open a project or create a new one. Open Visual Studio Code and either open an existing Python project or create a new one. If you're starting a new project, create a new folder and open it in vscode. Select Python Interpreter. Open the command palette, ctrl+shift+p, and type Python, select Interpreter. Choose the Python interpreter you want to use for your project. Create a Python script, example main.py, in your project folder and write some sample code. Open Terminal. Open the integrated terminal in Visual Studio Code by selecting View Terminal or using the shortcut Ctrl+. Navigate to Project Directory. Change the terminal directory to your project folder. Run Python script. Execute your Python script using the following command. If you're using Python 3, replace Python with Python 3. Visual Studio Code provides powerful debugging capabilities. Set breakpoints in your code by clicking on the left margin next to the line numbers. Then, press F5 to start debugging. You've successfully set up and run your Python code in Visual Studio Code. Explore additional features, such as extensions, version control integration, and advanced debugging, to enhance your development experience. Happy coding! ChatGPT